If you're looking to import your car to Zambia, you may be concerned about the amount of steps in the process that you need to consider. Hi, my name is Alistair Ben from MHH International. We've exported over 3,000 cars to over 30 countries over the last 10 years. Today we're going to give you the step-by-step process of how to import your car. Here's Rowan to tell you more.
Our step-by-step guide will help you understand how the car import process works from the UK all the way to collection in Lusaka, including car sourcing, VAT-free exports, shipping, transport, costs, vehicle regulations, and calculating duties in Zambia. Let's start with a quick overview of how the import process works. To get started, you simply talk to our team about which car you would like to import, and they will advise you on whether you're best to buy it from the UK, Japan, or Australia. And when we've found the car you love, we simply need a 20% deposit to secure it for you. Our collection team then inspect it, buy it, and arrange the export for you, along with your roadworthiness inspections. Approximately 20 days later, your car arrives in Walvis Bay or Durban. Our clearing agent will then clear it through customs on your behalf. They will collect it and manage the transport to Lusaka. When your car has arrived, they will advise you when it is ready to be collected. When the import's being managed for you, it really is that simple. Now you understand the overview, let's look at the process and the important details that you need to know along the way. When buying new and used cars from the UK or Japan, our car sourcing specialists have unparalleled trade networks and the experience to find your perfect car at the best price worldwide. If you're buying from the UK, we strive to source you VAT qualifying cars, and then we process the VAT on your behalf. You will not need to cover the VAT whilst we reclaim it. You simply enjoy the discount in your purchase price from us from day one. We provide a highly professional car import service, which is flexible, so we can be involved as much or as little as you need. Choose from a range of import services to suit your needs. Source your car from the UK, Japan or Australia and import it to Walvis or Durban. Or you can have your car delivered to Lusaka for you to collect. Roll-on, roll-off is the most cost-effective way to ship cars to Zambia, where the cars are driven onto the ship and secured with straps prior to shipping. A popular choice for prestige cars is container shipping, as your car is secured in a single 20-foot container or a shared 40-foot container prior to departure. This minimises the opportunity for damage. The shipping costs from the UK vary according to your destination and the size of your vehicle. We have partnerships with clearing agents in Walvis Bay and Durban. They provide flexible clearing and delivery services to either Walvis or Durban, or they can arrange to have your car delivered to Lusaka or your preferred city, or even to your door. Clearing for Zambia can take place at the port of arrival. Your clearing agent may clear your car at Walvis, for example, and then transport it into Zambia on your behalf. For more information on these service options, please get in touch with our team. To secure your car when we've found it, we require a deposit of £1,000. Our CIF service to Walvis or Durban is paid for in the UK before your car is leaving the port. You'll pay the clearing agent directly for any additional services that they provide for you. Vehicle regulations are relatively straightforward for Zambia. There's no age limit or restriction on makes or models for import, and only right-hand drive vehicles may be imported. And finally, the inspection is a JEVIC inspection, which is usually done before the car leaves its country of origin. Vehicle import duty rates are calculated based on the cost of buying, shipping and insuring your car to the destination port. This is summarised in your CIF invoice, which is a critical document for you to provide to the authorities. The ZRA will require you to include all costs and charges to buy and import your car to the destination port. The current duty rates applied are in the table below. You will also need to allow for the carbon emission surtax. This varies according to the size of your vehicle engine. To better understand how duty and VAT is calculated, let's look at an example. For a 2018 car with a CIF value of 450,000 kwacha and an engine size of 1.5 litres, the customs duty is 25%. This will give you a customs value of 112,500 kwacha. Excise duty is 20%, which is worth 90,000 kwacha. When we add VAT at 16% to the excise duty and the customs duty, we get to 274,500 kwacha. Then all we need to do is add the carbon emission surtax, which is valued at 50,000 kwacha, and added to customs and excise duty and the VAT, this gives a final total of 324,500 kwacha. For more detailed examples, please refer to the Motor Vehicle Tax Calculator on the ZRA website. To import your vehicle into Zambia, you will require the key documents listed below. And finally, looking at the timings, it typically takes 35 days to import a car to Zambia, depending on your shipping choices and your preferred port. The breakdown provided shows you the number of days that each step typically takes. We hope this short video has given you a clear understanding of the steps and costs required to import a vehicle to Zambia. At MHH International, we provide a highly professional car import service to make importing a simple and effortless experience. Simply take a look at the UK cars and the Japanese cars we have on our websites, mhhinternational.com and mhhjapanesecars.com, or get in touch with us and we'll be delighted to help you import your next car.